In this video, I'm going to help you change your Google Chrome back to English. So right now mine is in Russian and we're going to change it back to English so we can use it again. So I can't read Russian, so I'm going to change it with you. So I'm going to exit out of Google Chrome and you should do the same. Obviously watch this video first. Then go ahead and open up Chrome again. Now once you've done that, click on your profile and it should take you into Chrome. Now, here you are in Chrome. Now, what you want to do, it doesn't matter what window you're on, you need to go to the three dots in the top right-hand corner. So that's going to be the three dots next to your profile icon. And then from here, you need to scroll all the way down and you're looking for here the settings icon. Now, currently it is one above the exit icon, but you should see it is a settings icon. Just look for it and you'll find it. Click on that and it will take you into settings. Now, here you are in settings. Now, what we want to do is scroll down and you need to look for the language icon. So it used to be a world icon, now they've changed it to this language icon. So go ahead and click on that. You'll know it's a language icon because it's got a language here and then an A. Click on that and then it will take you to this window. Now these here are all of the different languages. Now what you could do is you could click on this button in the top right hand corner. Then if you search for English, you can go ahead and add it. So I'm just going to add English here. Now, if you've already got like the English UK in my case, I've already got it added. I'm just going to add for the video English Canadian just so we can read it. And then it should add that to the bottom here. Now you can go ahead and click on the three dots and then click on this check mark. Now what we've done is we've added the language just so we can read it in English and then we can customize it later. So once you've clicked on the check mark, then click on this button up here, which is going to be a relaunch button. Okay, so now we're in English Canadian. Obviously, I don't want Canadian, I want the UK. So now I can actually read it. I can change it back to English UK by doing the same thing, clicking on the three dots, then clicking the check mark. Then we can go ahead and relaunch. Now we're in English UK. Now I can go ahead and remove any of these by clicking on the three dots and then remove. So I hope that video did help you out.